So at this point, we're masked up and ready to put on the blue and the white gel coat. And it's masked off this way so that it only applies in these spots. And that way the mill thickness of the orange, the white, and the blue build up exactly the same, so that when we sand and polish, it will all be a flat, even plane, and you won't be able to feel a difference from color to color. It'll all seem like it just went on together. So that's the point of this. And of course, that's the catalyst for the gel coat. And then this gray is all epoxy, and that's what we used to create our final prepped surface. And prep is everything for your finished product. Your finished product is only going to be as good as your prep work underneath. And it took a lot of coats I think we were 5 coats. Wasn't that what it was?
It was 5
Yeah.
coats, yeah.
Took a lot of coats to get...
Or at least it was 5 coats on the outside. I don't know on the inside of the hull, but
yeah,
probably.
Yeah. And then one regret that I have is that I said we should just roll it because I didn't want to fume out the neighbors and spray it. This stuff still stunk. Gel coat stinks just as bad, and it's just as caustic. And I wished we'd have just sprayed it. It would have saved us probably 40% on our materials and a bunch of labor because it would have sanded down flat quicker. But we still managed, and it turned out beautiful. In hindsight, we could have been way more efficient with that, and I wouldn't roll it again. Unless I was doing a patch repair or something. But yeah, you can see here the texture that that we built that has to get flattened out. And here we are. We're doing the orange, and you can see we've got the blue reverse taped to keep it protected, and then we'll build the orange up to get our coverage and have enough material left, because you got to have enough material left to meet the mill thickness and to meet the UV protection. So 5 coats is what it took to get us there. And then of course Benjamin did get a mill thickness gauge that we were able to use to verify that. And so it definitely was work that we didn't need to do if we would have just sprayed it.
Well, and then the other part of it is that there are products out there that you can do an additive to them and they self-level.
Yes.
And there's no orange peel texture to them.
Yeah.
So, I just thought things should be made out of gel coat,
Yeah, because it's a tough, hard finish.
Yeah, and it's a superior finish in many ways. So, but whatever.
Yeah.
It looks amazing now.
Yeah, but in the end, when you're doing these things, obviously tenacity is key to bring it across the finish line and actually have a quality product. So, we pressed through and we made it happen.
I laugh sometimes thinking about what if I did this myself.
Yeah.
So here we're pulling the tape off.
Yeah. And that wire there is, the stand, it was the box, the crate that our kit came in, and we made it, we put it on legs and wheels so that this thing could just move around, and it worked out really great. We were able to secure our project to it, when we were doing the gel coat on the bottom side, the top side, and it worked out really well.
And here I decided to try my hand at building something for my brother Brent as a thank you and a nice addition for his shop.
Yeah, and I use this all the time. This thing actually turned out really great. So here we are. We start with a coarser grit to do a rough cut, and then we end up finishing in what was it we finished that in? I think it was 320. Is what, because you can, for gel coat, you can finish in a pretty coarse grit, and then you can see the bow over there. once it's done, how nice it looks. It's all buffed out. So the aft end that we're working on now is going to end up looking just like that. But yeah, the whole thing inside and out, we sanded it, leveled it, and polished it. And yeah, it was quite a bit of work, but man, it looks super good. And just, yeah, if you're a Broncos fan too, like these are your colors. So, but this here is the compound, and yeah, and a wool pad, a compounding wool pad is what we used to bring out the shine. And you can see, you know, on the edges of the where I'm compounding right there, you can see there's a gloss building, and you just kind of have to, when you do it, you know, you take your time and make sure that you don't sit and run that buffer in one spot, because if you do, you're going to make a lot of heat. I mean, there's friction with that wool pad and that compound, and that's because it's taking those 320 scratches, and the scratch is getting finer and finer and finer, and that's what gives you your gloss. So there's friction the whole time, and so you got to watch your heat. If you overheat it, you'll end up damaging that gel coat. So yeah, we work our way around the whole thing, and then I don't know if we have any footage, but I have a smaller buffer too, little handheld, to get like the keel guard to polish that out, and the little nooks where it's more difficult for the big buffer. But yeah, here it is when it's, you know, compounded out. It's not glazed out yet, and you can see just the transition that's happened from that texture in the, you know, earlier on in the video that we had, that how level it is. Now the footing areas, we didn't sand all that out. It actually gives you a little bit of grip. It's like a skid text that we decided to leave, and that actually turned out really nice.
Yeah, that did, man. In fact, we ended up buying a skid text, and we never ended up using it, and I don't think I will. I think this is just perfect. It feels great in the water.
Yeah. So there's the one plus for the rolled on effect is we built in our own skid text.
Yeah.
Yeah. And really all I did with that was I just compounded it too, you know, so that it just brought up the gloss a little bit, but left all the texture.
And then I had this idea that with all this leftover gel coat, that I'd paint up my my water bottle.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, awesome. Thanks, Brent.
There it is. Thank you.